What's up, bro? All good? Well, Aurelio is back another time with another great model kit. Are you ready? We start. I have always been fascinated by all the Russian spacecrafts. I like the Russian inventiveness in adapting the progress according to the current new needs. After I built the Progress M110 and the Zarya spacecraft, my interest shifted to a new version of the Progress. Unfortunately, this version was never carried out and remained only a project stage, never seen the sunlight. This version of the Progress was never given a precise denomination. It is known only as Progress MM. This is why I decided to keep them Progress MM, name for the AMK brand. As you can clearly see from the pictures in this video, the main feature of this version of the Progress is that it doesn't have a propellant section. The Russian technician's idea was to create a Progress spacecraft with a single pressurized cargo section. The Progress MM spacecraft with a pressurized cargo section that is extended compared to the normal version would have had the ability to carry more payload to the ISS. A standard Progress spacecraft is capable of carrying around 4,000 pounds. The Progress MM spacecraft with its 459 cubic feet would have been able to carry up to 7,000 pounds of load. Without varying its overall dimension and weight compared to the standard version, the Progress MM spacecraft would have been launched with the same rocket as all the other Progress versions. This version of the Progress was also studied for the needs of the astronauts and cosmonauts residing on the ISS. In fact, on the ISS, having a crew of 6 people, there is a need to have a large quantity of food, water and clothes. The project of the Progress MM was set aside by opting to use of the European cargo spacecraft ATV, capable of transporting a quantity of materials way greater than that of a Progress spacecraft. So guys, also this time we have finished. To stay up to date and don't forget, thanks to the AMK kits, you can enrich your personal collection. Write me at the end of this video, there is my email. See you guys! Yay!